Namaste, this is Avani Kshirsagar of class 7. I would like to explain the chapter Transpiration in Plants and Animals. The food has to be transported to all parts of the body. This is done by the vascular tissues called phloem. Thus, xylem and phloem transport substance in plants. In most animals, the blood that circulates in the body distributes food and oxygen to different cells of the body. Circulatory system. The human being digests food, water, and oxygen are transported to all parts of the body. Waste products are also transported from all parts of the body to be removed from the body. The transpiration of substances in body is done by circulatory system. It consists of heart, blood vessels, and blood. Now, what is blood? Blood transports substances in the body. It has a fluid called the fluid part called plasma, and cells like red blood cells, RBC, white blood cells, WBC, and platelets. Red blood cells. It contains a pigment called hemoglobin which transport oxygen. White blood cells fight against germs and protects us from diseases. Platelets. It helps in clotting of blood. Blood vessels. There are three types of blood vessels. They are arteries, veins, and capillaries. Arteries carry oxygen rich blood from the heart to all parts of the body. They have thick walls. Veins carry carbon dioxide rich blood from all parts of the body to heart. They have thin walls. Capillaries are very thin blood vessels which join arteries and veins. Pulse rate. Blood flows through arteries at a high pressure causing throbbing movements called pulse. The number of pulse beats per minute is called pulse rate. The normal pulse rate in a healthy person is between 72 and 80 per minute. Heart. The heart is an organ which pumps blood to all parts of the body. The heart is about the size of our fist. The heart has 4 chambers. The upper 2 chambers are called atrium. The lower 2 chambers are called ventricles. The heart has a partition in the middle which prevents mixing up of oxygen, rich blood, and carbon dioxide, rich blood. This is the structure of heart. These are supravena cava. The red portion is aorta. This is right atrium. This is left atrium. This is right ventricle. And this is left ventricle. Heartbeats. The walls is made up of muscles. These muscles contract and relax rhythmically, producing heartbeats. We can feel the heartbeats if we place the hand on the left side of chest. The human has about times of per minute. Stethoscope. It is a device used to hear the sound of heartbeat. It has a chest piece and 2 earpieces joined with a tube. This is a stethoscope. These 2 black holes are known as 2 two earpieces, and this is the chest earpiece, this one, and it is attached with a tube like structure. From this, we can hear the heartbeat of any person. Excretion in animals. Excretion is the process by which waste products are removed from the body. Excretion is done by the excretory system. The excretory system in human consists of kidney, ureters, urinary bladder, and urethra. The blood brings the waste products to the kidneys. Kidneys filter the waste and removes the waste as urine. The urine passes through into a urinary bladder. From the urinary bladder, the urine passes out through the urethra. Transportation in plants. In plants, transport of blood, water, and minerals take place to special tissues called vascular tissues. Tissues is a group of cells which performs a specialized function. Vascular tissues is of two types, xylem and phloem. The roots have hairs which absorb water and minerals from the soil. The xylem tissue transports the water to all parts of the plant. Food is prepared in leaves. The phloem tissues transport the food to all parts of the plant. Transpiration. Transpiration is a process by which plants give out water through the stomata in leaves. The evaporation of water from leaves produce a suction pull which can pull water to great heights in tall trees. Thank you.